God's Word from the Holy Bible, King James Version, Tagalog, English, Diglot Edition. Now let's go ahead and read from the book of John. Basahin natin ang Ebanghelyo ayon kay Juan from verses 1 to 13. Nang pagsimula, siya ang verbo, at ang verbo ay sumasa Diyos, at ang verbo ay Diyos. Ito rin nang pagsimulay sumasa Diyos. Ang lahat ng mga bagay ay ginagawa sa pamamagitan niya, at alinman sa lahat ng ginagawa ay hindi ginawa kung wala siya. Nasa Kanya ang buhay, at ang buhay ay siyang ilaw ng mga tao. At ang ilaw ay lumiliwanag sa kadiliman, at ito ay hindi napag-unawaan ng kadiliman. Naparito ang isang tao na sugong mula sa Diyos, na ang kanyang pangalan ay Juan. Ito ay naparitong saksi upang kaniyang patotohanan ang ilaw, upang sa pamamagitan niya ay magsisampalataya ang lahat. Hindi siya ang ilaw, kundi pumarito upang kaniyang patotohanan ang ilaw. Nagkaroon ng tunay na ilaw sa makatuwid, bagay ang ilaw na lumiliwanag sa bawat tao na pumarito sa sanglibutan. Siya ay nasa sanglibutan, at ang sanglibutay ginawa sa pamamagitan niya, at hindi siya nakilala ng sanglibutan. Siya ay naparito sa sariling kanya, at siya hindi tinanggap ng mga sariling kanya. Datupwat ang lahat ng sa kanya'y nagsitanggap ay pinagkalooban niya sila ng karapatang maging mga anak ng Diyos sa makatuwid, bagay ang mga nagsisisampalataya sa kanyang pangalan, na mga ipinanganak na hindi sa dugo, ni sa kalooban ng laman, ni sa kalooban ng tao, kundi ng Diyos. Now let's read the Gospel according to St. John from verses 1 to 13. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. The same was in the beginning with God. All things were made by Him, and without Him was not anything made that was made. In Him was life, and the life was the light of men. And the light shineth in darkness, and the darkness comprehended it not. There was a man sent from God, whose name was John. The same came for a witness, to bear witness of the light, that all men through him might believe. He was not that light, but was sent to bear witness of that light. That was the true light, which lighteneth every man that cometh into the world. He was in the world, and the world was made by him, and the world knew him not. He came unto his own, and his own received him not. But as many as received him, to them gave he power to become the sons of God, even to them that believe on his name, which were born not of blood, nor of the will of the flesh, nor of the will of man, but of God. And that's the reading of God's Word today through the Holy Bible, King James Version, Tagalog, and English, Diglot Edition.